How to remove payout account from Facebook page. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove a payout account from Facebook page. So let's dive in. So first open your Facebook app and then you have to click these three lines over here on the bottom right corner that says menu, and then you have to click your profile over here. Now it's going to bring you to your Facebook page, and here you have to click this professional dashboard option, and it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to scroll through and find this payouts option and click it. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to the page where you'll have your payouts. Now, I don't have any payout account, but if you have one, just make sure that you have no earnings left in it, and then you have two accounts added. Just choose one account that you want to remove and then go back. Now, you simply have to scroll through and find this support option and click it, and it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click this monetization option. And now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have this payout issues option. Just click this option over here, and then you can choose any option, doesn't matter which one, because we're going to just click other on the next step. So I'm going to click this payouts placed on hold and then click no over here. And then you have to choose other, or you can also choose I can't find what I'm looking for. Just click that option and then click this tell us more box over here and just type what I'm typing. Just type I want to remove my payout account, and then just type the account number over here. Just type the account number, whatever it is, and then click submit. And then the support team is going to help you remove that payout account from your Facebook page, and that's how you do it.